In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit pages in Confluence. Let's get you comfortable making clean, confident updates. Start by navigating to the specific Confluence page you want to edit. Once you're there, enter edit mode by clicking the edit button in the top right. If you prefer shortcuts, press the E key on your keyboard to jump straight into editing. You'll see the editing toolbar appear, which is your command center for formatting and content. Now, make your changes. Use the toolbar to adjust text styles, add headings, bold or italicize important points, and align your paragraphs for a polished layout. If you need lists, choose between bullet points or numbered lists to keep information tidy. The toolbar also gives you quick access to quotes, dividers, and other formatting that keeps your page easy to scan. When you want to add more than text, press the / key to open the insert menu. From there, you can quickly bring in macros, images, tables, and other helpful elements. The / command is fast and searchable, so you can type what you need and select it without breaking your flow. If you're collaborating, use the @ symbol to mention teammates. Tagging someone notifies them and points them exactly to the context they should see, which is perfect for reviews or approvals. By the way, if you're new to Confluence or need access, I've placed a link to the website at the very top of the description so you can get started quickly. As you edit, don't worry about mistakes. Use the undo and redo arrows on the left side of the toolbar, or press Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+Z on Mac to reverse any changes. Confluence also supports collaborative editing, so multiple people can work on the same page at the same time. You'll notice their initials in the top right, and edits merge in real time. And if you need to step away, autosave has your back. Your work is stored as a draft so you can return and finish later without losing progress. When you're happy with your updates, make them live by clicking Publish or Update in the top right. Before you do, consider adding a version comment in the bottom left. A short note like updated table or rewrote intro helps track what changed and why, which is especially useful on busy pages. That's it. Open, edit, enhance, and publish with confidence. If this helped, be sure to check the link in the description. And thanks for watching.